New insight paint of what the consumers could expect from the Google's next smartwatch. Information received by Droid Life suggests that the Pixel Watch 2 could launch with several new sports band colors such as Hazel, Moondust, Obsidian, and Porcelain. The other new color coral has already been showed off previously in the Google ad during the Women's World Cup. Furthermore, it appears as though the new bands will be compatible with the attachment mechanism the original Google Pixel Watch came with. The publication added Google has sent a few Pixel superfans the new bands to try out with the current devices. The publication also alludes to a Google listing that Pixel Watch 2 USB-C fast charging cable. Nothing other than that is known. It might make us hopeful for the charger that can output more than just 5 watts like the original iteration. The body is likely to remain the same as last year's LTE and Wi-Fi models. We have also seen Google tease the new watch in the silver casing. Speculation tosses gold and black casing options in the mix for Google's next watch, keeping things very close to first model. The gold casing might be paired with the hazel band, the black with obsidian, and the silver with the chalk or porcelain. It looks like there's a fourth option B, which is neither cool green or brown. There is a teaser of the Pixel Watch 2, though it is only 15 seconds long. You can see a few subtle differences. The rear shows a redesigned sensor layout with EDA sensor and others likely possible. A speculation leak suggests it will have the same 1.2 display. The device is jumping up the performance from going from the years old X35 Gen 1 chipset. It reveals the Pixel Watch 2 silver casing and porcelain brand. The Pixel 8 was teased in the new porcelain colorway. It's speculated the same color options will be there for the Pixel Buds Pro 2. Good thing we don't have to wait much longer as the Pixel event is scheduled for the October 4th.